Hi and welcome back to Perfect Health Hustle. Amazing viewers, in today's video, we're diving deep into the world of infectious diseases. With the recent pandemic and seasonal flu outbreaks, it's crucial to understand infectious diseases like COVID-19 and influenza. In this video, we'll explore their causes, symptoms, prevention measures, and how we can protect ourselves and our communities. So, let's get started. 1. What are infectious diseases? Before we delve into specific diseases, let's grasp the concept of infectious diseases. These are illnesses caused by harmful pathogens like viruses, bacteria, and other microorganisms. We'll discuss how these diseases spread and the importance of maintaining good hygiene practices. 2. COVID-19. Understanding the virus. COVID-19 took the world by storm, and we're still learning about this novel coronavirus. We'll discuss how the virus spreads, its common symptoms like fever, cough, and loss of taste or smell, and how it affects different individuals. 3. Influenza. Types and seasonal outbreaks. Influenza, or the flu, is a recurring infectious disease with seasonal outbreaks. We'll explore the different types of influenza viruses, symptoms like sore throat, body aches, and fatigue, and why it's crucial to get vaccinated annually. 4. Preventing infectious diseases. Prevention is essential to stop the spread of infectious diseases. We'll discuss effective prevention measures such as frequent hand washing, wearing masks, maintaining social distance, and staying home when feeling unwell. 5. Vaccines and herd immunity. Vaccines are powerful tools to combat infectious diseases. We'll explain how vaccines work, the development process, and their role in achieving herd immunity, which protects vulnerable populations. 6. Debunking misinformation. In the age of the internet, misinformation can spread as quickly as viruses. We'll debunk common myths and provide reliable sources of information to stay informed about infectious diseases. 7. Global health and preparedness. Infectious diseases know no borders, and global cooperation is essential. We'll discuss the importance of international collaboration, pandemic preparedness, and how we can all contribute to a healthier world. 8. Mental health and coping. Dealing with infectious diseases can take a toll on mental health. We'll explore ways to cope with stress, anxiety, and uncertainty during outbreaks and how to support others in difficult times. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understand infectious diseases like COVID-19 and influenza. Staying informed and practicing preventive measures are crucial in protecting ourselves and others. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Together, let's keep spreading awareness, knowledge, and positivity. Stay safe, and until next time, take care.